Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. Can you tell me what this is? It looks like a vehicle. Do you know what type of vehicle this is? It looks like an excavator. Can you help me match all of these vehicles? Alright, let's begin. Let's find the other piece of the excavator. Could this be the right piece? That looks so silly. That's not the right piece. Help me match the right piece. Could this be it? Yes, we found it! Whee! Well done! Let's keep matching the right pieces. What about this? What does it look like to you? An airplane? Yes! Can you help me find the other piece of this puzzle? Could it be this? Let's have a look. Does that look right to you? No. Let's find the right piece. Could it be this one? Well done. You did it. Let's do another one. How about this? Let's find the right piece. Could it be this one? How about this one? No. Which one is it? Yeah, it's this one. Well done. You found the right piece. This is a taxi. Whee! Let's do another one. Let's do this one now. What does this look like to you? A fire engine? Yeah! Can you help me match the fire engine? Could it be this one? No. How about this one? Can you help me match the right piece to the fire engine? Have you found it? That's right. Well done. We found it. Excellent job, fire engine. Let's do another one. Let's do this one now. Do you know what it looks like? It looks like an ambulance. Where is the right piece of the ambulance? Could it be this one? No, that doesn't look right. How about this one? Well done, you did it. Great job. Whee! Let's do this one now. Do you know what this is? A motorbike. Yes. Can you help me find the motorbike? Could it be this? No, that doesn't look right to me. Does this look right to you? No. Help me find the motorbike piece. Yes, thank you for helping me. You did it. Great job. Whee! Let's do another one. Let's do this one now. Can you tell me what this is? A helicopter? Yeah. Is this the right piece? No. How about this one? Is this the right piece to the helicopter? Yes, you did it. Great job. Whee! We have one more. A police car. Can you find the police car? Yes, excellent job. You did so well. Thank you so much for helping me. We have a motorbike, a police car, an aeroplane, an excavator, an ambulance, a fire truck, a taxi, and a helicopter. Thank you so much for helping me today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!